Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make churros cheesecake. First, gather your essential ingredients like cream cheese, sugar, and cinnamon. Make sure everything is at room temperature for the best mixing results. We'll also prepare a delicious churro crust using butter and flour. This combination creates a truly unique and irresistible dessert that everyone will love. Let's get started on this amazing recipe. Now, let's focus on that incredible churro crust. You'll combine melted butter, flour, and cinnamon to form the base. Press this mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan, ensuring an even layer. Then, bake it briefly until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. This crispy foundation is key to our churros cheesecake, adding that authentic texture and flavor we're aiming for. It's simple, but so important. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Quick recommendation: after all that baking, why not relax with a good book? Discover the new Kindle Paperwhite and read anywhere. It's perfect for unwinding. Check the description below for a link to the Kindle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Next up, the star of the show, our creamy cheesecake filling. Beat your softened cream cheese with sugar until it's perfectly smooth and lump-free. Gently incorporate eggs one at a time, mixing just until combined after each addition. Finally, stir in vanilla extract and a hint of cinnamon to elevate the flavor profile. This careful process ensures a rich, velvety filling that will melt in your mouth. You're doing great. With our filling ready, it's time for baking. Carefully pour the smooth cheesecake mixture over your cooled churro crust in the pan. We'll bake this in a water bath at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. This method helps prevent cracks and ensures even cooking. Once baked, cool the cheesecake completely on a wire rack, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Patience is key for that perfect set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.